Hang on. Okay.
Okay. Do you have it on video?
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. I'm gonna come to the other side so I can see your face.
Okay. Are you still taking a video?
Yep.
Okay. Because I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, let's see it.
The longest. This is the best day I ever had because I get to swing on the sea. Woo! It's like
You're going so high.
I wonder if I do a back.
A backflip?
I'm waiting for it. Got it. Sophie, where are you going? I'm coming to you. Are you still taking one?
I sure am.
Okay.
Looks like Daddy's gonna sled again. I'm gonna try and get him going down too.
My legs.
They're getting tired?
I'm tired.
Here's Kevin over here getting ready for a sled run.
Wait, I can't get more.
Whoa.
Whoa. Ready?
I'm ready.
Mommy!
What?
This is oh, remember?
Whoa, that was so high, Kyle. What's all the drama for, sis?
It's so fun! Woohoo! That was fun! Sophie, whatever you do, don't go in front of the swing. You can just do it. You can just go in front of the swing while I'm getting ready.
You don't want to wear those anymore?
Are you gonna watch me? Yeah, I'm also gonna do it. Okay. Just let me have one more turn, then your turn, and then your turn.
Kyle's walking all the way to the top, so it's easy for him to get on.
I scraped
Smart,
my
huh?
butt on the. When I went up to the top, I scraped my butt on the snow. Be aware, it's scraping your butt on the snow.
Whoa!
Nice spinning, bub.
Did you see him when he fell off?
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Jump off, Kyle, jump off! My turn! Guess my candidacy.
All right.
One turn, then I get one turn. So, okay, Sophie. Okay.
I was gonna pull you up further, Sophie.
What?
I was gonna pull you up further, but you stopped yourself.
Get me!
Here, let me try something, Soph. Keep swinging, keep swinging.
My turn.
Walk it up here, Sophie. Walk it up.
All right.